So you guys want to save and post TikTok draft videos to public, then you guys are at the right video. Because in this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps which you can follow to save and post TikTok draft to public. So you guys can follow the steps if you guys also want to save your post and then, make your post public from draft. So before I start the video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do this. So watch this video carefully. First thing, open TikTok. After you open TikTok, you can click on this plus icon over here. Once you click on this plus icon, you can upload a video. So first I'm going to be teaching you how you guys can create drafts, okay? So drafts are basically incomplete video, like which you still need to do something to upload, okay? So I can click on upload or record a video with TikTok, but I'm going to select a video from my, gallery. So let's say I want to upload this video to my TikTok. I can select it, click on next. After that, I can click on next. Like after adding all the sound effect, all the things I want from here, I can click on next. So let's say I don't want to post this video right now. So if I click on post, this video will go public. Let's say there's still some editing and other stuff I need to do before I post this video. What I can do is I can click on draft and my video will be saved to draft. As you guys can see, it says save to draft. So your draft videos are going to be at the top over here. So basically these videos are still needed to be uploaded. It's not complete, okay? So to save and post TikTok draft video to public, basically I saved a video to draft right now. So if I want to upload it, I can click on draft over here and I can, click on it, and now I'm over here. So if I want to upload it to, TikTok, basically what I can do is click on post. Clicking on draft, it's going to be saved to draft again after making some changes. So let's say I want to add a title over here. So let's say now I want to upload it. Basically what I can do is click on post over here. So once I click on post, wait for some time until the video is uploaded. So as you guys can see, my video has been uploaded. Now if I want to save this to my device, I can basically just hold on it and click on save video, and this video will be downloaded to my device. So like this, I click on save video. Now this video is being downloaded to my device, and after this video is downloaded, I can go to my gallery and check it out. So that's basically how you save and post TikTok draft to public. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.